In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add letters with numbers in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where you want to create your combined values. This is useful when you want to turn plain numbers into labels, IDs, item codes, employee numbers, or invoice references. Instead of showing only a number, Excel can combine text and numbers into one easy-to-read result. There are two simple ways to do this in Excel. You can use the ampersand operator, which is the and symbol, or you can use the concat function. Both methods do the same basic job. They join text and numbers together in one cell. Let's start with the ampersand operator. If cell A2 contains the number 123, click the cell where you want the result to appear and type equals, quotation mark, ID dash, quotation mark, ampersand, A2. The formula is equals quote, ID dash, quote ampersand, A2. Then press enter. Excel will return ID 123. This method is quick, flexible, and very easy to remember. Now let's look at the second method, which uses the concat function. If A2 contains 1001, type equals concat, open parenthesis, quotation mark, EMP, quotation mark, comma, A2, close parenthesis. Then press enter. The result will be EMP 1001. This method is especially helpful if you prefer using functions instead of operators. Here are a few examples so you can see how this works in real situations. If the number is 123 and the formula is equals quote ID dash quote ampersand A2, the result is ID 123. If the number is 456 and the formula is equals quote item space quote ampersand A3, the result becomes item 456. If the number is 789 and the formula is equals concat, open parenthesis, quotation mark, EMP, quotation mark, comma, A4, close parenthesis, the result is EMPC 789. To do this yourself, enter the number in a cell such as A2. Next, select the cell where you want the combined result. Type either equals, quote, ID, dash, quote, ampersand A2, or equals concat, open parenthesis, quotation mark, ID dash, quotation mark, comma, A2, close parenthesis. Press enter to confirm the formula. If you need to apply the same pattern to more rows, drag the fill handle down. Excel will automatically copy the formula and adjust the cell references for each row. One final tip. You can place letters before the number, after the number, or even on both sides. For example, you can create A123, 123B, or INV 123 2026, depending on the format you need.